Can you remember where we started? Before we lost our innocence. Never thought about tomorrow. On the run, chasing the sun. Never thought it could be over. So many things I never said. Another day, another sorrow. I'm okay, but I just wish that you were here right now. Yeah, I just wish that you would know by now how much you mean to me. And I'm holding on to all our tears, all our memories. So I just wish that you were here right now to make me whole again. No, I don't know how it happened. I woke up and you were gone. I wonder, was it all a dream? You and I chasing the sun. And now I'm feeling California while I'm tripping in the dark. Another night I still miss ya. It's alright, but I just wish that you were here right now. Yeah, I just wish that you would know by now how much you mean to me. And I'm holding on to all our tears, all our memories. So I just wish that you were here right now to make me whole again.
Forgive me for running from the ready for true love and more. Praying you let you be caught barefoot in glass. It's time I surrender the past. There's no defeat. The blistered heart does not bleed. I foster, I try to catch up to your heart. I'm never dust. Forgive me for running from love. And ask me, trying to capture all I need. My marathon, when I'm with you, I love you well.
Do you think about me when you're all alone? The things we used to do and used to be. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. Do you think about me when the crowd is gone? It used to be so easy, you and me. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. When you need a way to beat the pressure down, when you need to find a way to breathe, I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. If you wanna see me when the crowd is gone, used to be so easy, can't you see?